Amazon is huge. It sells almost everything. But did you know it started with books? That's right. Jeff Bezos, the founder, began by selling books online. It was a smart move. People love books, and Amazon made it easy to buy them. Today, Amazon is the biggest online retailer in the world. It sells millions of products, but books are still a big part of its business. In fact, Amazon sells over half of all print books in the US. That's amazing. What does this mean for you? It means there's a huge market for books on Amazon. People are already shopping there. They trust Amazon. And if you have books to sell, Amazon is the place to be. Selling books online might seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you think. Amazon has made it simple for anyone to become a seller. You don't need a physical store, you don't need to handle shipping. All you need is an internet connection and some books to sell. One of the best things about selling books online is the low barrier to entry. You can start small with just a few books. As you gain experience and make sales, you can expand your inventory. It's a flexible business model that can fit your pace and budget. But is it profitable? Absolutely. Used books especially can have high profit margins. You can often find them at low prices and sell them on Amazon for a significant markup. Plus, you can set your own prices. This gives you control over your earnings. Ready to get started? The first step is to create an Amazon seller account. It's a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Once your account is set up, you can start listing your books. Listing a book is easy. Simply enter the book's ISBN. Amazon's system will automatically pull up the book's details, including the title, author, and cover image. You'll need to specify the condition of your book and set your price. When pricing your books, it's essential to do your research. Check the prices of similar books being sold on Amazon. Consider the condition of your book and factor in Amazon's fees. You want to price your books competitively while ensuring a profit margin. Section 4, the art of presentation, making your books irresistible. You've listed your books. Now what? It's time to make them stand out from the crowd. The way you present your books can make all the difference in attracting buyers. Write clear, concise, and compelling product descriptions. Highlight the book's key features and benefits. Use keywords that potential buyers might use when searching for a book like yours. Reviews are another crucial aspect of selling on Amazon. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews. You can even offer incentives, such as discounts on future purchases, to encourage reviews. Section 5, reaching the summit. Strategies for maximizing sales. Listing your books is just the first step. To truly succeed as an Amazon bookseller, you need to implement strategies that boost your visibility and sales. Amazon offers several advertising tools that can help you reach a wider audience. Sponsored products, for example, allow you to promote your books at the top of search results. This can significantly increase your visibility and drive sales. Another effective strategy is to offer competitive pricing and shipping options. Consider offering free shipping or discounted shipping rates to attract more buyers. You can also run promotions and offer discounts to incentivize purchases. Selling books on Amazon can be a rewarding experience. It's a great way to turn your love of books into a profitable venture. With the right strategies and a little effort, you can achieve your selling goals and build a successful business on Amazon.